All right, so today we are looking at this Sea Animal sewing kit. This is a cool arts and crafts kit. We got it over the summer just to keep somebody occupied for the summer so they'd have something to do during the day and wouldn't have to say the B word, bored. And so it's worked really great. This is the first thing she made. She's halfway through the second one, so you're making a turtle now, right?
Yeah.
So she was able to sew this, which is pretty awesome. Do you want to? Can you show me what's in here? What comes with it? Oh, look, it just says on the back. Let's just do that. So it comes with pre-cut felt animal, different embroidered floss, craft eyes, sewing needles, straight pins, scissors, stuffing. We'll open it up so you can kind of see. It's kind of messy. But here's kind of all the stuff strewn. Oh, and it has stuffing, different things. We can make a whale, an octopus.
It's a shark.
Oh, a shark. All sorts of fun things. So what do you like about it so far? You've been busy with it.
Yeah, it's really fun because you like sew around and then you like put a hole and then put the stuffing in. And then the eye was basically my favorite part because I like clicking things together like Legos, and that's basically what the eyes are like. So
cool.
That's why I really like it.
So it's fun, and it's teaching her some of the basics of sewing, which is really cool. It's easy for them to figure out because it has all the guidelines and it's set up. You can kind of see here on the pattern that it kind of has all the holes already where you're going to go with it. So it's just following the pattern, and it's been a lot of fun.